All right.
Hey guys, JT here. We got a Darrell over here with his very first Arrma car. Why y'all running? Look, everybody running. Everybody run away. So we're up here in Hobbytown in Kennesaw, Georgia. So he's gonna unbox his first Arrma car. So he's never got one before. He knows I have them. I run them, and he's pretty excited about getting one. So he went ahead and purchased the 6S Typhon, and he's got that look like, yeah, I'm ready. He's ready to race me now, y'all.
You take it from here, JT.
So all right. So what he did was he also purchased some additional tires and wheels. He got the Duratrax punch tires and wheels because he wants to not wear these little pinspikes down because they will wear down quick, especially if you're running on road. So you guys know this only comes in one color. So this is the 6S version. It will go 60 plus miles per hour. Run two 2S's, a 4S, or two 3S or 6S LiPo. So he's gonna crack this box open real quick. All right, we're through the formalities. He's got the tape off the box, so he's gonna get this off. Watch him smiling.
Hey man, I've been smiling all day.
You think about this all week.
Anticipation.
Yeah. You know we love the smell of a new RC car. Gotta get it in. Gotta get it in. So
take it all in, gentlemen.
all right, so in here, this comes with, of course, some basic tools for it. Tools for your tires and wheels and some Allen keys and stuff to work on it. And what I like what Arrma does is they do give you a set of XT90 connectors here to solder these on for your batteries as well. So if you don't have batteries with XT90 connectors, you can always solder those on there. So and then basic instructions and then gearing chart and stuff in there. So we're going to get to the meat of this, get this to focus in a little bit. There we go. That's going to be your radio in there. Comes with the Tactic TX300 radio. It's a 3-channel radio. And get this bad boy out for him real quick. So you guys know I have never had a Typhon. I've had every other Arrma car, the Creighton, the Talon, all that, and even the Sentin, but not the new one. So this looks pretty good, actually. It's going to be curious because when they just released the 3S version, but I can already tell this is going to be bigger based off the 3S version being constructed kind of like my Sentin. So you guys know that Arrma does put on their bodies. They put these clips on here, which is good, so you don't have to worry about losing body clips or anything with it. It does have big bore shocks on there, and they are threaded aluminum bodies. So, and suspension setup's pretty good too. So he said that thing looks nice. Look, he's smiling. He's cheesing. He can't wait to get it running. We're gonna run this too. You gonna run it?
Man, you know I'm gonna run it.
Okay, because I got some batteries. I only got 4S, but he's gonna run it. So.
Gonna get those vents back there.
All right. So very well detailed body right there. So taking this off, you guys are familiar with Arrma cars. It is constructed like it, except for it's more in a buggy platform for it. And this is, of course, the version 3, so it does have a lot of the modifications to it. The adjustable battery tray that's right away, which will allow you to put larger batteries in there. They give you a loop or two. This is in case you just want to run one battery, which is what he's going to be doing, just running a 4S. But if you want to run two 2S's or two 3S's, he can do that. So the motor, of course, is a 2050 motor, and the ESC is rated at 150 amps, and it is waterproof, and so is the servo. I think the servo is about 175 amps in torque, and I think it's 0.18 in speed or something. So you guys know this has, I think it's a 3mm metal chassis on it, so we got to get that chassis protected for. I forgot about that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So there's a chassis protector we're going to get. You guys know I put that on my cars, too, to protect the bottom of the chassis from getting scraped up so much. But this is actually pretty heavy, too. Heavier than I thought. I should have brought my one of my Mugans or something in to do a side-by-side comparison, but we'll do that at a later time. For it. So, ooh, you hear that? You ain't heard it? Ooh, oh, look at the smile. Oh.
That's when you know you're right.
So, we won't go too much more in depth because we're going to get this up and running, but we did want to just unbox this and take a look because I've never seen one. I've never had one before, and tire compound seems to be pretty good. It's not too bad. These are actually seem to be a little bit... No, they just seem to be bigger. That's all. The tires look to be a little bit bigger to me, but they're... He's going to open this up real quick. So comparing the tire size right there, I thought those would be a little bit... No, they're just skinnier. You guys see how skinny those are. So anyway, it's going to still perform pretty good with these tires because this compound is going to be a little bit better there. So you guys know this comes with sway bars front and rear, and like I said, this is the version 3 where they did kind of upgrade it with some of the outcast components and stuff on it. So We're excited to get this thing running. We'll be doing some speed runs. We'll do a super speed Saturday because he always tries to make fun of me. I do a super speed Saturday on a Monday, telling all my secrets. I'll film it on a Monday and then release it on a Saturday. So, and just real quick, this is the radio. You guys have seen this radio before. It's a 3-channel radio. Third channel is going to be here if you want to add or utilize the third channel. It's got your basic steering and throttle dual rates and stuff on there. So, and servo reversing on the back. So that's a quick look at this. He's still over here. He's trying to hold a smile in.
Hey, I'm excited. It's my first Arrma.
Very
Arrma,
first.
if you're listening, give my boy JT some love. I was a Team Traxxas.
He said it, not me. Everybody over there, they smiled and laughed. Oh, I got them all on camera. So
we're gonna be there for the speed run as well. So
yeah. So all right, guys, we'll get this thing up and running. So as always, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. And thanks for watching.